Good morning, everybody. Just want to share the new curtains I made. These were just from some scrap fabric that I had. I'm kind of unhappy with how the top came out, but it was my fault. First time kind of making curtains like this style, because I probably should have flipped it over and had this like so it'd be hanging down here, but it's just, you know, that's how you learn. I didn't have a pattern or anything, so I kind of just had to figure it out. But they're cute. My husband liked them. So, a good way to learn how to do things is sometimes just try it. Okay, guys, so there's a little fly in here. I'm in the laundry room. Okay, so our scripture today is, "Thus did Noah, according to all that God commanded him, so did he," which is Genesis 6:2. So Noah lived a life of obedience. He really tried to live right like Enoch. He walked with God, and that's how we should live too. We should walk with God and try to live a life of obedience and snuggle up close to him, have a little heaven right here on earth. Okay, guys, so remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.